Here we are, we made it. That's a little 3-minute slideshow of the process of building a car. Friday, March 14th, 2025, and we are about 30 miles outside of San Antonio. We left this morning pretty early, going to this car show. Don't know a whole lot about it, saw it on Instagram, but I've been to a car show in San Antonio was in 2006, so that's almost 20 years. It's been a while. But so far so good. We hadn't had any issues. The truck is pulling good. The car hasn't moved. We're bringing the 68 also from the channel. It's about probably at least an hour behind us. It had a slow start. Bobby was dancing all night long at the rodeo. Nah, but we should be there by 10. I don't really know what to expect. I don't know how many cars are going to be or how long the line is. I remember back in the day, you used to get there the night before and wait in line outside like some fools to get an early spot. I don't think it's like that anymore, but I really don't know. But so we'll see. We'll see when we get there. We did get a 20 by 20. We do have a display to put together, and it's going to take a little bit of time. But hopefully there's some nice cars. I don't think it's supposed to rain all weekend. There's also a high class picnic on Sunday that we may go to, as long as it ain't raining. But y'all stay tuned. I guess we'll bring you guys back once we make it there and once we start getting set up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright.
See what it does. Versus the wool. Yeah.
And man, it cuts easy. Better than
The black pad?
a black pad, yeah.
Is that clean?
That didn't sound good.
Get a clean one, man, from the Ziploc bag, the yellow one.
Nothing on it. Maybe it's my wristband.
I like the yellow one.
These are.
Oh yeah, much better.
Then we gotta do the whole side of the car, man.
Instant glow.
Yeah, it's gone.
Bobby, get on his back. It hurt? Okay, do a massage. Man, the car is gorgeous. I love it.
It looks so good right here under the lights.
I was just playing the one thing after what happened is the compound had problems. lot of work putting them garage tiles together, man.
Yeah.
But it's different.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody in there that I've seen. Well, we only went to one building.
We didn't go everywhere with you.
Teamwork. So far, man.
So far, it's been hot.
It's a little unorganized. The entry,
Yeah.
the pulling in, the set, you know, the getting in process with these trailers. Like, I mean, I've seen
It was a small space for all these
They're asking a dually with a gooseneck 2-car hauler to maneuver in, and you can't. You know. So other than that, you see how far they make us park when we have all this right here. This entire parking lot. But they say go park over there.
All the way over there.
Yeah. Cars look good. Made it safe.
Look how cute. Everybody has their walking buddy.
Fredo's debuting his new haircut.
And his car.
Hey. No new friends.
What I'm gonna do is I'm actually growing it, and then I'm gonna get a cut. We're gonna make Johnny a wig.
Ooh.
Woo.
Ouch.
When I put it on, I have to drive your car.
Yeah.
That's all I'm gonna wear.
I mean, hey, debut first for both cars.
Yep.
Yeah.
What do y'all think?
That's what I was telling Elijah. Yesterday he was like, man,
First car show for both cars.
How'd the car pull?
good.
I told him I feel like I'm in the movie Friday.
Why?
Because you walk out this in the hood and you got this fancy car in the yard. Yeah.
So the homeboy, it was there on my story. He's like, that motherfucker needs to be driving a Tesla.
I was.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
We're here with the Rider of the Year.
Hell yeah!
We
Mexican food?
Like big tacos.
No,
It's dead on, right?
I like that, dude. No pump to start.
Hell yeah!
No pump to start. Yeah, I get
It's
it.
all good. It's all good.
Yeah, man. Be careful.
All right, brother.
Yes, sir.
Y'all need anything? Holler at me, bro. You got my number.
All right. What a show off. Here we are, we made it. That's a little 3-minute slideshow of the process of building a car. Sunday morning. We're at, well, I don't even know what park this is.
Comanche County Park.
Comanche County Park, San Antonio. I think it's a high-class picnic. Nice, beautiful weather. We weren't really going to unload the cars, but since we're here and we got plenty of room, we're going to go ahead and load the cars and just park them.
Show them off.
That's why we came.
I didn't even bring a car and I'm unloading.
It's because you're part of the crew.
Man, it sure is nice out here.
Hey man, it's gonna get real nasty over here in a little bit. Y'all don't go park over there on the cement?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
All the trailers are gonna start parking here and making a big ass dusty mess. This is where I park all the trailers. It's gonna get packed over here. Like crazy packed.
You just move the cars and leave the truck.
That's what I'm saying. If y'all want, we got some cement right there. Y'all can park in front of us. We're already backed up.
Where's parking?
Right there on the, you just go in right here, just take a little entry.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Okay, I was going to watch this.
We can edit it out.
A lot of nice cars, man. You know, it's definitely a different style. Arizona and West Coast. A lot of nice cars. A lot of nice paint jobs. That's a nice paint job right there. Pretty good looking 63. I didn't realize High Class was that big of a club. They got a lot of cars, a lot of dudes here. It's getting hot.
It is.
Need to top up with some
AC.
frigid air blowing. Vinyl seats ain't no joke, but hopefully we get this thing loaded up here without much incident. It's filthy. It's kind of surging a little bit.
Should have pulled up more.
I think I will.
Could stick it out on the road over here.
What you want to say, lady?
Ready to go home.
Yeah, we're about 2 hours out. About to come up on Columbus. I thought it was a great weekend
Yeah.
so far. No issues to report. Hopefully we get home safe. It's been a pretty quiet ride. The weather was fantastic, other than it was really windy. Yesterday, loading up after the show, man, it was bad. The show, as far as the cars were good, but the organization of it could have been better. They had us parked with our trailers like a mile away. So, literally a mile away. Had to walk to the show and then walk to the truck to get it, to come get the car or take the car. It just could have been, they had all this extra open space, so. But I don't know, man, I'm not in charge of that. Met a lot of people that watched the channel, so that's cool. Everybody loved the car, had good things to say about the car. Had some good conversations with people about paint and body and about assembly process, so that was cool. We got the 68 got book. It's a special class at the discretion of the judges. So they put me in custom. Got first place in that. We got special recognition, special award, outstanding hydraulic setup for the pompitas. And
You got
the
best in show.
Best in show. I don't know if it's best in show, but it was another special award. Best classic lowrider, 55 through 88, with a $250 cash prize. So helped pay for the trip here. Didn't pay for it completely, but it helped. So man, the debut went well.
Yeah.
Couldn't really ask for much more. And then we went to the picnic. Yeah, that was fun. We wish we could have stayed longer, but you know, we got to get back home. That place was packed, man.
Yeah,
Packed.
that park got small quick.
Yeah, like one of the reasons why we left a little early, so that we can get out of there with the trailer and stuff. So man, it was fun. I saw some people I knew before, reconnected and stuff. So it was cool, man. It was good. We're looking forward. I think we're gonna do Dallas in May. What, May 10th? They said.
Yeah, May 10th.
May 10th. You know, either go to that or we're gonna go to some sort of picnic or something. We're gonna make our way to Dallas here soon. So that's a wrap, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the little going on the trip with us. Let me know what y'all think, man. What y'all think of the debut. And y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get back on Bobby 62 here next weekend. Continue with the bodywork, man. So your green guy's back. Let's get that going. Y'all stay tuned.